Hi everybody, it's Creative Sarah and we're going to use this adorable slice of happiness transfer with our palette sign. I'm just going to go ahead and sand the edges. Look how cute that is, all distressed. Now let's take our surface wax and wax the top. We're going to go ahead and mark the back of our transfer and fuzz it. And once we're going to place that down on our palette sign and use some black velvet chalk. Look at that, it's going on super smooth. Just cover the silk screen with the chalk paste and your squeegee. And 1, 2, 3, peel and reveal. Look at that. Let's dry it. We're going to get that dry with our quick dry tool. And then, oh my goodness, we're going to add some cute, adorable embellishments. Oh my gosh, anytime you guys, if you need to see more stuff, just check out CreativeSarah.com and you will find everything you need. Here we're adding a little bit of greenery, a little piece of ribbon. We're just gonna hot glue that puppy right to the sign. Look how cute, you guys. Again, CreativeSarah.com.